Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp and Google Analytics. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to track your email campaign performance directly within Google Analytics, giving you deeper insights into how your subscribers interact with your website after clicking through from your emails. Let's start by heading over to Mailchimp.com and logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main dashboard where you can manage all your email campaigns and settings. Now direct your attention to the left sidebar menu where you'll find various options for managing your account. Click on Integrations to access Mailchimp's extensive library of third-party connections. You'll now see a page displaying all available integrations. At the top of this page, there's a search bar designed to help you quickly locate specific integrations. Type Google Analytics into this search bar. This will filter the results and show you the relevant integration options. From the search results, click on the Google Analytics integration. This will take you to a dedicated page that explains what this integration does and how it can benefit your marketing efforts. It essentially bridges the gap between your email campaigns and your website analytics. On this page, you'll notice a Connect button. Click this button to start the integration process. After clicking, you'll be forwarded to the Google Overview page. Scroll down a bit on this page until you see the Google logo along with another Connect button, and click Connect again. This second confirmation ensures you're linking the correct accounts together. Next, you may be prompted to log into your Google account, specifically the one that's associated with your Google Analytics property. Make sure you're using the correct credentials here, as this determines which analytics account will receive your Mailchimp data. After logging in, Google will ask for your permission to allow Mailchimp to access your Google Analytics data. You'll see a permissions screen outlining what data Mailchimp will be able to view. Click Allow to grant Mailchimp the necessary permissions to complete the integration. And that's it. You've successfully connected Mailchimp with Google Analytics, enabling you to track your email marketing performance alongside your website metrics. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.